Today I will discuss about the similar triangles. Similar triangles means it is depend two conditions. First one congruent figures, second one similar figures. Which are called congruent figures and which are called similar figures means if you take any two triangles, their shape and size both are similar from one to another, they are called congruent figures. They are called congruent figures.
Yes.
What is the meaning of congruent? Shape and size both are same. Both are same. Same size and same shape of any two triangles are called congruent figures. For example, we draw triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC and PQR, their sides are similar from one to another. How to say? Both are same size, like AB equal to PQ equal to 2 centimeters, BC equal to QR equal to 3 centimeters, and AC equal to PR equal to 4 centimeters. Means their sizes are equal and their shapes are also equal. So this is the example of congruent figures. Now I will explain the second thing means AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and AC equal to PR. These are only to mention the sides. Now we mention the angles. Angle A equal to angle B. Angle B equal to
Angle Q.
angle C equal to
Angle R.
angle R. So this is the condition of congruent figures. Now I will explain similar figures. When we take two different types of triangles or two triangles, their shape is similar but not size. Means when we take two line segments like AB and CD, their shapes are same but their size are
Different.
and we take two different types of circles. One is smaller and another is bigger, but their shapes are same. Shapes are
Same.
size are
Different.
This is the examples of similar figures. When we take two triangles, if their shapes are similar but their sizes are not, are different, that is called the similar figures. So finally I conclude one thing: all congruent figures are similar. All congruent figures are
Similar.
but all similar figures need not to congruent. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures
are not congruent.
Next. And another thing is similar polygons. Poly means so many, gons and sides. That means any figure has more than 5 sides or more than 4 sides are called polygons. Here any two polygons are similar. How to say? That means a closed plane figure with at least 3 sides and one angle. At least 3 straight sides. 3 straight sides means closed plane figure. A closed plane figure with at least 3 straight sides and angle is called the similar polygons. When two polygons are similar, when their corresponding sides are proportional. Their corresponding angles are
Equal.
Their corresponding angles are
Equal.
and their corresponding sides are proportional. We draw two polygons like ABCDE, one polygon, and PQRST is another polygon. Here at least three straight sides. That means AB, AC and CD. PQ, PT and RS. And angle A equal to
Angle P.
Here at least three straight sides and one angle. That is called the similar polygon.